Hello everyone, this is my 2020 Ford Transit 250 and I installed this retractable step. That's how it looks like, and it retracts. So it retracts like this, and after retracting, this is how it looks. This is almost flush to the van. I just wanted to show the setup, how I install. I'm not going to show the step-by-step process, but I will show the setup. That way, once you see the setup, it will be easy to install. Okay, here is the setup underneath the van. The good thing about this setup is I did not drill any holes to the van. I used factory threads and no drilling, and all the parts I brought for this are from Home Depot. And here you can see there were two bolts here. These threads were factory installed for Ford or this van. There were two here, and the other side in around 2.5 feet there were two more. You can see there two more bolts. So I brought this L track from Home Depot, and the way it is, one side it is shorter and the other side it is longer. So I brought this. This is 3 feet one. I installed it, and then the other side I brought another L track again from Home Depot. I think this is 10 inch by 10 inch. So two bolts here, and then I used this existing bolt location, and there was a bolt already for this one, so I just removed it and installed this one. So this guy comes like this and go all the way here. So one modification I would do if I do it again is get a bigger one, this L track, so that it can sit onto this. But this is now it's very sturdy, but if I need to do it again, I will do that. Maybe get this bigger one, a longer one, maybe 12 inches, and extend all the way to here to sit on this, and then bolt it. And then this is that engine side to the front of the van, and then the other side. This is here little tricky. There are no bolts on the top, the place I wanted. This is another L track I needed to install, so there were no bolts right on the top. So what I did was, you can see from here, again I brought this. This is basically not the one like this, which has shorter one side and longer on the side. This has both same size, and this is I think 24 inch, because in this van I have one thread hole here and the other thread hole somewhere there. Do you see? I need to tighten that bolt, but that's the location. So I installed this L track again, bolted there, and that one connects to this L track here. And let's say now once you have this setup, you just need to install this step to one side to this one, another one to the L track there. Similarly here, one here, basically one here, and one to the L track. I might put another nut and bolt here, so that it can stay stronger. This is already strong. I tried stepping on it multiple times, jumping around. This is very strong, but I would just add another nut and bolt here and that there. So get the longer one, 12 inches, and make it extend all the way here, and put one nut and bolt here, try screw it so that this will seat on this, and then you install this step to this L track. So I hope this one helps. If anybody wants to install this retractable step, as I said, I did not do any holes. I did not put any holes to the van. All these threaded holes came with the van, so I didn't have to drill any holes or any complex this.